Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how to use Nexo and what is basically a Nexo platform. So Nexo is a world more advanced regulated digital assets institution that offering a quick fast on ramps for 40 plus cryptocurrency industry leading that earns rate on assets on a crypto exchange and instant crypto credit lines and the world first crypto back credit card. And what is basically and how does it work? That basically it's launched on April 2018. Nexo made a quick and powerful name for itself by offering instant crypto loans that provide a fast, immediate access to cash and the supports for maintaining ownership for one digital asset with no reliance on credit score checkups. And what is basically a Nexo affiliate program? Join Nexo affiliate program and earn a revenue share, make money every time, and invite a user on interest, make a swap or borrow funds, and buy crypto on interest and you earn your asset. They borrow against the first swap between 300 plus market pairs on a highly rated Nexo app. And is Nexo is the world biggest crypto lender? The world biggest crypto lender Nexo announced it officially back at first mortgage using the cryptocurrency Mighty actor Brock Pierce's could buy at $1.2 million that give clients a tool that billionaires have a decades. That is not a startup. So next, we're gonna talk about later. We just simply get into app. What is basically that, and what is the interface that? And here we go. You already see that this is official feed. This is a landing page of Nexo. Just simply click on nexo.io. You will see a landing page like this, and you will see on the top you will see a different option: market, product, institution, resources, security, company. Just simply drag your mouse here and you will get that options. You're gonna go and find that option, but first we need to look that up. The right place for your crypto. Get starting, grow your crypto hold, and keep it secure with Nexo. Okay, got you. Grow your passive income. Earn daily interest on your crypto and stable coins. Just top up and start growing your hold automatically without lifting a finger. Get rewarded for every swap. Swap over 300 crypto pairs at the most user-friendly crypto exchange. You can get up to zero point 0.5 crypto rewards in every swap, no matter if you do at the bottom or the peak. And if you go with the borrow, let me show that one. You can borrow against your asset at 0% APR, the average with your instant crypto credit lines, get cash on stable coins, and grow your portfolio or even finance your dream house. Oh, that sounds good. Successfully borrowed USDC at $1,200. You can now borrow from zero average. Got you. That sounds good. You can go with the Nexo card. You will also have the access of the. Actually, you can also buy an Nexo card. Nexo card is the only card that doesn't sell your crypto and pays up to 2% pay back in rewards on every purchase. All your expenses are financed by a credit line that's starting at 0%. Okay. All right. So you will see a total worth of 130 billion process in a 5 year. It's a lot of user, a lot of process, and the 5 million plus user worldwide, and the 60 plus supporting cryptocurrencies, and 200 plus available jurisdiction. And you will see a trade crypto on Nexo Pro. You will see also a pro option which gonna benefit you to connect your 10% liquidity providers from a single platform. Nexo Pro look for the best price and the most efficient auto execution. So don't you have to for a limit fees of 50% off. You're gonna go just simply click on start trading. The right place to bring your friend and win. For every friend who joins and top at least $100 in asset, we will reward both of you with 25% in BTC with no cap on the number of people you can refer. And the right place to grow with your community. Join an extra affiliate program, not a revenue share. Make money every time, invite a user interest, make a swap or borrow funds. Okay, got you. And all features are in the different companies: WST, the Washington Post, Reuters, Bloomberg, Fortune, CoinDesk, the blog, and Decrypt. And grow your crypto on the go. Okay, the buy crypto or interest on your asset, borrow against them, or swap between 300 plus market pairs on a highly rated Nexo app. Simply click on get started, you will able to do that. On the last not the least, sign up for the updates. Products company will see all different options. You simply get the privacy policy and the help center, and you will see the different certification program, the certified information security management system with the ISO in 2013, and the license and regulated digital asset institution. You're gonna go also chat with the experts. So clicking on that top bottom on the right corner. Okay, so here is basically platform Exo platform. You're gonna go with that. This is the most advanced regulated platform all over the world. So go with that platform and make sure money gets started. So simply sign in over that. If you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.